Listen, okay, I came in here literally, I left my keys. I guess that was a sign from God saying, you know what, Dina, you need to get back to Dollar Tree. Okay, you need to do a part 2. Okay, all right, listen. You listen to Linda. You see the makeup? This is all Dollar Tree, boo. This is all Dollar Tree. Now, if you want me to do a tutorial on how I got this look, girl, you know I'm feeling myself right, girl. Let's get to it. When I tell you it's time, and you guys may really think that I'm playing about this, but it's times when I come to Dollar Tree, it's like you don't know where you are because the stuff that they selling, okay, is so good. Now, listen, I'm baffled right now. I really am. If you don't believe me, I don't know what's your problem, because I'm really baffled. Check this out. You know what? Dollar Tree better stop doing this to me. And I sure should have brought my family first card. Okay, can I be real with you? Okay. Then and crispy peanut brittle chow. Okay, and they just put this out. You see how packed this is? Chow. $1.25. You know what? My youngest son, I told him, I said, you know what, we're going to go to the Asian market. Let me know if you guys want to see a video of me going to the Asian market today. But I told him, I said, we're going to go to the Asian market. We're going to go to Dollar Tree. He said he don't want to come. Honey, we may have to come just for those peanut brittles. Okay, really, really good. What about this? Okay, the delicious cherries covered with real milk chocolate, 100% liquid center. Chow. So you get 3 pieces for $1.25. Grooving and moving. Move your feet to the beat. Still deal like Holyfield. Okay, that's the saying. Okay, that is the saying. You better not ever say I didn't put you on to move your feet to the beat. Listen, Dollar Tree have some new items in the frozen section. Okay, all right, so let's get into it. Now, some of these items are going to be from $5 to $3 to $1.25. So we just gonna go through it. All right, now if you've seen these, okay, act like you did. Okay, all right, let's get into it. Child, I did not know Dollar Tree sold this. Okay, family, so listen, Dollar Tree have the Stouffer's, the French bread pizzas, yeah, 2 pizzas, okay, $3, still deal like Holyfield. Wait, hold on, child, I ain't done. Pierogies, Miss T's, child, classic cheddar, 10 pierogies for $3. Okay, wait, I'm just getting started, I'm just getting warmed up, 1 second. Now, Dollar Tree also have the boneless beef ribeye steak. Okay, child, this is, honey, I don't know how much this is. I don't know how much this is, okay? But, honey, if you on a budget, you definitely could come to Dollar Tree and eat. Okay, all right. All right, first up, Dollar Tree doing a big one. Honey, you see these? Okay, so the Oreo International Delight iced coffee made with real milk and cream. Ooh, child. What about the Reeses iced coffee made with real milk and cream? Okay. What about the Kobe Jag cubes? Child. Listen, I don't know who they coming for. I really don't know. Okay, but they coming for somebody. Okay, they about to be putting people out of business. Nah, I don't know. Okay, I'm just saying. They also have the Boathouse. Now, we seen these last time. This is $3. Really, really good. Honey, what about the Velveeta slices? Okay, is this new? Is this new? Honey, the Philadelphia original cream cheese, and then also the morning combos. Now, I know the morning combos, we had seen that a time or two, okay? But child, now, at some locations, you guys may have seen that they sell bacon probably at your location, but honey, this is new here, okay? And I'm in New Jersey, all right? So they have the Jamestown brand bacon, which is $3. They have the Simply Fruit Punch, which is $3. Now, we had seen that last time. What about the Gold Peak? Okay, the iced tea. Really, really good. Still deal like Holyfield, okay? Now, Dollar Tree also had this, let me see, El Montreal extra large breakfast wraps, egg, potato, cheese, sauce and bacon flavor. Hello, how you doing? Now, Dollar Tree is doing a big one, okay? Oh, yeah. All right. Now, look. Dollar Tree even had the smoothie starter, blueberry, strawberry, mango, spinach. Yeah, okay, you better show me now. Now, let me tell you something. The other day, I was so shocked when I came. I went into a Dollar Tree, and they had, like, the frozen bags and stuff. You know, for the smoothies. I was absolutely shocked, okay? And I think it was like, what, $5 for a family-sized bag with the mango, the strawberries, and the spinach. I was blown away. They also have the peas and carrots, okay, high in vitamin A, vitamin C, and fiber. This is also $3, still deal. You remember that song, especially around the holidays, the lady, Shirley Caesar, okay, who would say, I got green beans, potatoes, yams, honey. Dollar Tree, they doing it. They doing it for me, okay? Look at what they have. So, Dollar Tree also has the broccoli cuts. Chow, okay? This is $1.25, okay, by the way. Okay, cut okra, okay? Honey, great for frying, roasting gumbos and stews. Chill, you better hush your mouth. All right, now, they also have the stir-fry blend. Really, really sealed deal like Holyfield. Asparagus, okay? Now, it seems like they got probably like 3 or 4 in a bag, okay? But asparagus, chill, who knew? What about the broccoli and cauliflower blend together? Child, this is still deal like Holyfield. You know, the old version of myself, okay? You know, I would be a little ashamed, okay? All right. But honey, ain't no shame in my game, because let me tell you something. I have nothing to hide, protect, or defend, okay? All right? And if you get some of this stuff from Dollar Tree, some of this food, because I sure do, okay? We get the ramen, okay? Also, let me show you guys. This is so good. My son, my oldest son, put me up on this, and I was like, just through. I could not believe it. So, these right here, the shrimp egg roll, oh my goodness, they are so good, okay? He had brought, I think it was about 8 of them, and I think it was 2, and he kind of got upset because he was like, you ate that other one? And I was like, yeah. Those are good. And then they also have the lobster egg rolls. Those are good too. And I think that was the lobster one that I had. They also, Dollar Tree also had the big burrito, okay, the beef and bean. Now, I never tried this before. I never tried this before, but honey, Dollar Tree said, listen, we're doing a big one, new and improved, okay? You moving your feet to the beat or you getting live. That's what they said. That's what they said. I didn't say it. They said it. Now, another item that is really, really good at Dollar Tree is these right here. These steamed dumplings. I mean, so good. These are, I believe, $3. Really, really good. Now, me personally, I do the chicken. I don't do the pork. I try to stay away from the pork. You get what I'm saying? You know, just stay away from it, okay? Although I did have pork fried rice yesterday, but we ain't talking about that. We talking about this, okay? Steamed dumplings, absolutely good. They also had the mega bowls. Okay, now these, I seen these here before, and these are $3. Honey, you can just do a whole food shopping. If you get stamps, okay, I get stamps. okay, I get stamps. Okay, now if you get some stamps, you can come and get you some things. Okay, me and my children been here a few times. Okay, all right, no shame. Okay. They also have, they do have the family size blender. The fruit, okay, right here, and this is what I'm talking about. Really, really good. So this is $4. You see how big this is for $4, okay? This is the strawberry, mango, blueberry. So if you like, you know what, I want to start eating healthier, Dina, you know, I want to start going to the gym. Don't wait into New Year's. Don't be them folks that say, I'm going to wait until New Year's resolution. Let me tell you something. Change your life now. They also have the blueberries right here. And this is all family size. $4. Tell me this not a steal deal like Holyfield. You tell me that. I want you to tell me that. I wish you would tell me that. Now this literally almost took me out, child. I had to catch myself, okay? Look at this Magnum ice cream, double caramel, 44% of cacao, okay? This is $5, child. And what about the gelato? Honey, okay? Well, this is sherbet, dairy-free sherbet, okay? Really, really good. And then they also have the Klondike cones, okay, 4-pack. Oh my goodness, honey, Dollar Tree doing a big one for me, okay? What about you? Are you moving your feet to the beat, or are you getting started? All right. And what about these Mexican? Let me see. This is the Mexico minis, 12 bars. Okay, so they have the strawberry, the coconut, the mango, and this is, I believe this is $5. Yeah, this is $5. Honey, let me know what you normally get from Dollar Tree when you come do some food shopping. Don't listen, okay? You talking to me, okay? Put it down in the chat what you normally get when you come to Dollar Tree. Do Dollar Tree have you move your feet to the beat? Let me know, child. Now, am I late to the party? Okay, because Dollar Tree also got the Dove vanilla ice cream. Child. Okay, now I've seen the Twix before, okay? Child, they ain't playing. Like I said, they coming for somebody. I just don't know who. So Dollar Tree also have the limited edition Team Cheerios, okay? The frosted berry, child, gluten-free, $1.25. Still deal. Honey, where you gonna get some cereal for $1.25 but Dollar Tree, okay? Me personally, when it comes to this cereal thing, I absolutely love it. You guys know, I done said this time and time again, okay? Fruity Pebbles is my thing, like a chicken wing, okay? Fruity Pebbles, I absolutely love it, okay? Now, back in the day, I would do, Frosted Flakes and stuff like that, but nowadays, Fruity Pebbles, honey, they hit every time. Let me know in the comment section, what's your favorite cereal? All right, so you see these, especially for the holidays. Okay, this is a steal deal like Holyfield. But we had talked about this last time, all right? We talked about this. The 11-piece party serving kit, okay? Kit includes all 11 pieces shown, including food size. Chef and rack, 1 full size 4U pan, 2 half size 4U pans, 2 heat infused, 1 serving tongue, 2 serving spoons, 2 serving forks. Okay, now this is great for holidays, birthdays, fundraisers, company parties, family gatherings, and this is $10. So if you're a person, you're like, my family, we getting together, we doing the holiday thing, and right? You could easily come here and get this party essentials kit for $10. Still deal like Holyfield. Okay, all right. Never say I ain't put you up on anything, child. Never. Dollar Tree has these Tinu Garland, $1.25. This is new, child, fancy, pantsy, mancy. You see how this looks, okay? So they come in 3 different colors. They have the white, the red and white, and they also have a green and red. Now, Team Green. Okay, Team Green over here, green and gold. Okay, you already know the name. You already know you know how we moving. Okay, they also had a decorative bowl. Now we had seen that yesterday. I seen that yesterday, and then they have another decorative bowl which is red and green. They also have the decorative bowls up here, which I absolutely love because this gives some spadass. Okay, $1.25 for 2 decorative bowls. Now, these gift boxes right here, they are so cute, honey. Don't they go with the nails? I know, girl. All right, so $1.25. Love the blue. The blue is really hitting, okay? They also have the red, and then they also have the silver, the gold. Girl, this gold, child, I don't know about this gold is doing something to me, okay? Dollar Tree also have the 6 jingle gift tags. Fa la 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 la. All right, this is so cute. Look at this. Child, this is absolutely fancy, pantsy, mancy. They have the gift bags, the little gift bags, and I like this. Okay, now Dollar Tree has several gift bags. They have so many here. Okay, so 2 gift bags that says "Fa la 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 la," $1.25. Then they also have the snowman, Happy Holidays, really cute, Merry Christmas, and then They also have some more gift tags. All right, now I had seen some of these gift tags already, but what about this? So this is the self-adhesive gift tags. Child, isn't this fancy pantsy? Believe, let me see what else. Joy, I know that's right. Honey, this just put you in a good mood, okay? 'Tis the season, merry and bright. Child, you better get into it and do it. Now, this bag I absolutely love. It even goes with the nails, okay? Really, really cute. This is $1.25. This look fancy. Don't look like you paid the $1.25 for this. Nobody would know, okay? Then they also have, oh, come, let us adore him, all right? Have some more. Then they also have "'Tis the Season," some more "Fa La La La," $1.25, the bigger gift bags. And if you have not seen it already, Dollar Tree also have the 30-piece gift bowls, all right? 30 pieces for $1.25. Tell me this not a steal deal like Holyfield. Tell me it. All right. Dollar Tree also have these placemats, these fabric placemats, okay? Now, I had received a notification from Google saying that some of the Dollar Tree placemats, I don't think it's not these. They are a dupe of Pottery and Barn, okay? But it's not these. But these are $1.25. These look good, okay? I like me some gold. The gold and green I would prefer, but this is good, $1.25. They also have this black and red, okay, North Pole Tree Farm Christmas trees this way, along with the 2 pot holders. Still deal like Holyfield. Now, me personally, I do my best staying away from the candies and stuff, but Dollar Tree has this 6-piece lollipop. Look. This is so cute. Isn't it cute, honey? This should be warming your spirit up, okay? If you're walking around mean mugging, got a whole attitude, maybe you need to come to Dollar Tree, okay, and move your feet to the beat or something, okay? Because there's no reason why you should be out